How to make 10,000 Rand a month using your NSFAS money. NSFAS funds your studies, but it doesn't have to be just tuition and books. With the right mindset and strategy, your NSFAS allowance can become the starting capital for making real income. Here's how to turn your NSFAS money into a steady 10,000 Rand per month. 1. Budget and plan like a pro. First, treat your NSFAS allowance as your business startup fund. Most students spend it without tracking. Instead, create a monthly budget that prioritizes essentials, rent, food, transport, and sets aside a fixed amount specifically for investment or side hustles. Even if you start with just 500 Rand a month, compounding matters. Discipline is your biggest asset here. By tracking every Rand and limiting impulsive spending, you build control over your finances. Budget apps or even a simple spreadsheet can help you stay on top and visualize your cash flow. Remember, without a plan, even the biggest allowance will disappear fast. 2. Buy and sell smart. Use part of your NSFAS money to buy goods in bulk or at discounted prices, then sell at a markup to fellow students or your local community. Think airtime bundles, snacks, stationery, or phone accessories. Items students need daily. Bulk purchases reduce cost per unit and increase profit margins. Market via social media or word of mouth to build your customer base. Start small, reinvest your profits, and scale up gradually. This low-risk trade model is proven to generate consistent monthly income. Always keep an eye on trends and what your peers need most to maximize sales. Customer trust builds repeat business, so deliver quality and fairness. 3. Freelance using your skills. Have a talent? Graphic design, writing, tutoring, social media management. These skills can earn good money without upfront investment. Use your NSFAS money for minimal costs like internet data or upgrading software subscriptions. Platforms like Upwork or local student groups on Facebook are great places to find clients. Start with small gigs to build your portfolio and charge higher rates as you gain experience. This approach can quickly bring in hundreds or even thousands monthly with the right effort. Networking is crucial. Tell friends and professors about your services to open more doors. Consistent communication and deadlines will set you apart as a reliable freelancer. Invest in small online businesses. Use part of your NSFAS money to start or invest in small online ventures. Dropshipping, print on demand, or affiliate marketing require minimal startup capital but offer scalability. With just a phone and internet, you can market products on social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or WhatsApp. Learn the basics through free online courses and start by promoting products you believe in or use yourself. This strategy requires patience and learning, but can bring in substantial monthly returns once you find your niche. Your NSFAS funds can cover initial marketing costs like ads or sample products to build trust. As your business grows, reinvest profits into expanding product ranges and improving your marketing. Focus on excellent customer service. Happy customers lead to repeat sales and referrals. Always track which products sell best and adapt your strategy accordingly. Building a reputable brand online can open doors to partnerships and higher profits. 5. Create digital content that pays. Leverage your phone and your unique voice to build income through digital content creation. Whether it's YouTube, TikTok, or podcasting, consistent content can attract sponsorships affiliate deals, or ad revenue. Use your NSFAS money for essentials like a microphone, data bundles, or editing software subscriptions. Focus on niches you're passionate about and that have demand, such as education, finance, or lifestyle for students. Monetizing digital content takes time, but once you hit your stride, it can generate passive income. Repurpose content across platforms to maximize reach and engagement without extra cost. Engage actively with your audience to build loyalty and boost visibility. The more value you provide, the easier it becomes to attract sponsorship and monetize. Stay consistent with your posting schedule to build momentum and trust. Collaborate with other creators to expand your reach and learn new techniques. Consistency and growth tips. Making 10,000 Rand a month isn't instant. It's built through steady effort and smart money management. Track every Rand you spend and earn to understand what works best. Reinvest profits to scale successful ventures while cutting losses on underperforming ones. Don't spread yourself too thin. Focus on 1 or 2 strategies at a time. Set weekly income goals and hold yourself accountable. Use apps and planners to stay organized and motivated. Remember, financial growth from NSFAS money is about discipline, creativity, and hustle. Surround yourself with positive influences who encourage your goals. Making 10,000 Rand a month using your NSFAS money isn't just a dream. It's achievable with the right plan and mindset. It starts with discipline and knowing how to stretch every Rand. Remember, your NSFAS allowance is more than just a study fund. It's seed capital to build something bigger while you're still at university. Every small step you take toward financial independence adds up. Whether it's budgeting smart, trading goods, freelancing, or starting an online business, consistency is your greatest ally. Don't expect overnight success, but commit to steady growth and watch how your effort compounds over time. The key is to stay organized, track your progress, and learn continuously. Surround yourself with people who inspire and challenge you to grow. If you found value in this video, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Share this with fellow students who need to unlock their financial potential. Your journey to financial freedom can start today, and we'll be here to guide you every step of the way. At Economic Indicators, we don't wait for the economy to change. We outsmart it.